From the vast expanse of Texas, where cattle roam freely and oil wells dot the horizon, we bring you a closer look at the anonymity provided by Texas Limited Liability Companies. We delve into the world of businesses, where names are cloaked and identities concealed. But before we get started, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Did you know there are more than 2.6 million businesses in Texas, and a large portion of them are LLCs? An impressive number for sure. But here's what's really interesting. Texas is one of the states that allow you to form an anonymous LLC. In the land of the Lone Star State, an anonymous LLC means no individual member's name is publicly associated with the company. This keeps personal details confidential, and for many, that's a crucial aspect of business operation. A fascinating fact: as per the most recent data, an estimated 30% of all LLCs registered in Texas choose anonymity. The reasons are varied, from protecting personal assets to deterring frivolous lawsuits. Despite its appeal, anonymity does not grant absolute protection. Anonymous LLCs must still abide by all federal, state, and local laws, taxes, and regulations. Remember, accountability is still the cornerstone of any successful business. Let's crunch some numbers. It's estimated that anonymous LLCs generated over $20 billion in revenue for Texas in 2022 alone. This revenue is funneled back into the economy, creating jobs, funding infrastructure, and enhancing the state's overall prosperity. So, in the heart of Texas, where the Wild West spirit still endures, anonymous LLCs stand as a testament to the balance of individual rights and corporate responsibility. If you're interested in forming an anonymous Texas LLC, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's your opinion about the anonymity that a Texas LLC can provide? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.